Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Real Wisdom Artificial Intelligence. So, today is July 18th, and I am bringing you this from my desk here in Bangalore. You can see I am in my US men's national team shirt. It's just to mark a great FIFA World Cup. I know US is no longer in the tournament. We are down to the last two teams, Argentina and Spain. It has been a great tournament with the US, Canada, and Mexico playing the host. I am in India right now. I was in Boston when the tournament started, and it was amazing to see the vibe and the atmosphere in Boston as well as in other US cities as the World Cup kicked off. An amazing FIFA World Cup, and looking forward to watching the final with Argentina still in that. So now let's go ahead get started for today. Today's dose of Rashmi is a logical intellect led organization operates with money as the core mental model and product, market, and purpose as a means to serve that. An integrated intelligence organization, on the other hand, operates with the core purpose of it being a vehicle to allow the team to perform aligned action towards what they care for and drive that impact in the external world. So that dose pretty much captures the PM squared: purpose, product, market, and money, and how currently almost all organizations operate exactly in the reverse way, where it starts with the money, market, build products for that market, and purpose gets bolted in, as I have said this repeatedly in this series. Now, and money is great. I'm absolutely all for money. Money is one of the most strongest of the inventions that we have done as humans, and it has allowed us to work together as collective, get behind shared stories, and it has allowed humans to work together beyond the tribal models, beyond the limited tribes that used to exist in prehistoric time. Money has allowed us to cooperate in large numbers, build amazing things, do amazing things. All innovations have happened thanks to that. However, it is shared fiction, as you will know, Harari has pointed out in Sapiens. So, this series is all about helping everybody see clearly that money is a great servant. However, it is a very poor master. And right now, we have designed our lives, our organizations, our ecosystems to predominantly serve money. And if we can all see clearly at the individual level, at the organizational level, at the ecosystem level, that money is a tool to serve whatever impact we would like to create in the external world and how we can work together. Money is a tool to help us work together. Then amazing things can continue to happen, and we can all work towards the impact that we would truly like to create in the external world without being constrained by these artificial mental models that we've created around money. The mental models are absolutely needed for us to work together. However, when some of them are no longer serving us, we can all come together to create a new mental model that works towards the shared prosperity for all, not just driving valuations up for a few large corporations. And today I'm recording this from my desk because I'm on my way to IEEE event here in IIIT Bangalore. It is around an event titled Future Networks Empowerment Through Mentorship. I'm going to be on a panel. And as I was preparing for this panel, something very interesting came about as I was trying to prepare my thoughts. Brainstorming with AI, again, a demonstration of human and AI collaboration. And the AI knows everything that I'm engaged in. And we came up with this theme of that if you think about networks, so there's, of course, technology networks that we built to connect technology. It's just tech AI, and the connected AI network is an example of that. We have built communication networks before that. Then beyond that, there are human networks that we have built. The social media is a great example, and that was powered actually on top of after we connected using tech, built the internet. On internet, we built the information network. What the companies like Google, etc., powered, they built the information network, and then on top of that, the social media revolution built human networks. And all of these are great innovations. However, we have built all these networks to continue serving the mental model that existed before all this in the society and that continues to exist, that has existed since prehistoric times, which is money first. So everything that we have built has been serving money. That is why we got attention economy. And if we keep working like that, AI is going to give us attachment economy, and that will lead to fragmentation of our attachment to other human beings. And this is where there is an opportunity right now to build purpose networks, bring together humans, organizations, ecosystems around the purpose to just have all these organizations, ecosystems exist to allow humans to perform aligned action towards whatever they care for, creating the impact in the external world. That is the mission we are on with the RASHMI.ai and Seeds, and that is how I am going to frame my talk at the Future Networks Empowerment Through Mentorship. So really excited about that. Thank you.